Now that we have the tent assembled, we're going to work on installing it onto the vehicle. The mounting kit that we offer is a universal mounting kit, so it can fit a wide range of applications. Today we're going to use these two cross rails in order to show you how the mounting kit works, but with your application may vary just a little bit. The first thing to note is there is a minimum distance you want your cross rails depending on which tent you're using. Once you have the spacing dialed in, we're going to go ahead and get the tent and put it up on the vehicle. In each corner of the tent, we're going to use 2 of the slide brackets with their bolts and 1 mount plate. First thing we'll do is make sure that the head is sitting in the track of the aluminum extrusion and remove the nut from the bolt. With the rubber end removed, we can slide the slide bracket into the universal channel. Position the slide bracket such that you have a bolt on either side of your cross member. Depending on your application, you may use the inner holes or the outer holes. For this application, we're using the inside. Now install the bracket, followed by the washer, and then the nut. Once you have the brackets installed in all 4 corners, use a hand tool to tighten them down. We do not recommend power tools. We can replace the plastic end cap in the end of the extrusion. One last thing to consider before we put the tent up on the vehicle is pay attention to which way you want the tent to open up. Once you have all the hardware secure and double checked, you're ready for adventure.